Hey guys, it's Kimberly. If you couldn't tell by the title today, I'm going to try and become part of Mascara and Chapstick Twitter. And if you don't know what that is, here are some images. And I just kind of want to recreate that look because like this whole like glossy makeup has been a trend for a while, and I kind of participate in this trend, but like not really. Also, my skin isn't anywhere near perfect enough to participate in this trend, so I don't know why I'm trying to do this right now, but here I am. It's mainly just like good eyebrows, mascara, not much on the lips, blush, kind of, fake freckles, which I'm not gonna do because I've tried to do fake freckles and just didn't turn out right, and perfect skin, which I don't have, but you gotta fake it till you make it. Also, do you like my, I got a new phone, if you can tell. I'm getting distracted, but I'm gonna show you anyways. And I have a picture of Chanyeol from EXO, a sticker of V from BTS, and a Polaroid of me and my friends. Anyways, I'm just trying to postpone this video because I know it's gonna turn out to be trash, but not much that can be done. So let's just like get started. I'm gonna tie my hair. You know, I have a scrunchie. I don't just wear scrunchies on my wrist for fashion. I mean, for the majority of the time I do, but like, ooh, I don't look good with my hair tied back. Also, I'm gonna be pulling up my tube top a lot. You may be wondering, why are you wearing a tube top in December? I mean, I almost said December. In January. Ask me another question because I don't have an answer to that question. And I put my mirror here. Ooh, that's like in the way. You can kind of see it, but you're focusing on me anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm annoying. So first, I need to moisturize my face, so I'm gonna use the Nature Republic Aloe Vera Moisturizing Gel. Oh my god. Then I'm going to put on Vaseline on my lips because I can't really have chapped lips with this makeup trend. Like, you need to look as perfect as possible. Then I'm going to spray my face with some Mario Badescu spray, which I'm almost out of, which means I have to go buy more. So I'm not going to spritz too much. Yes, that's not a lot for me when it comes to spritzing this. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover RX primer because I am gonna be putting on foundation, even though chapstick and mascara Twitter literally is what it sounds like, chapstick and mascara, but they put on foundation, just very light coverage foundation. I mean, I'm gonna try not to put as much foundation as I normally do. Ooh, I put on too much primer, especially because I'm not gonna be putting on that much foundation, but. And I'm just gonna rub it into the skin. My skin isn't doing too bad, but it's not at its best. So I don't know why I'm filming this right now, but here we are. I didn't wet my beauty. I'll be right back. I'm back. I can't really, it hurts to like get up and sit down because if you didn't watch my last video, you should. I tore my Achilles and I can walk now. It's been like 2 months since I tore my Achilles. I can walk. I just look stupid when I walk, but it's fine. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Okay, now that this is wet and damp, not wet, damp, because it's not soaking, I'm gonna take 2 foundations, which just wait, I promise you it won't be too much. Anyway, so I'm gonna take the Black Opal True Color foundations in Eau Chocolat and Carob. I use more Eau Chocolat than Carob because Carob is very red, but Eau Chocolat isn't dark enough. 1 pump of Eau Chocolat and half a pump of Carob, more like a quarter of a pump. Then I'm gonna like mix them together with my finger. And I'm not gonna use all of this because I think I did too much. And now I'm not allowed to use any more than that. Now we go into this. We're just gonna buff it into the skin. Why am I out of focus? Focus. This is weird. Like, this is literally not anything. I mean, I haven't really been wearing foundation recently, so. But it's like matte, which is like the opposite of like mascara, chapstick, Twitter. But just wait. Now, my under eye circles, that's the thing. If I had Glossier makeup, this would be so much easier, but I don't. So we just have to work with what we got. This is like, I think this is also Black Opal. I just potted it. I think I can only do like one swipe. And I think I'm gonna restrict myself and I'm not allowed to put any more concealer because, you know, this has to be like minimal to like no makeup. I'm not a like coverage type of girl when it comes to concealer, but it's life. I want to get foundation on my top though. I'm gonna put one swipe on my eyelids because even though I'm not putting on eyeshadow, actually I will put on eyeshadow. I'm not putting like eyeshadow on, but my eyelids need to like kind of match my face. So I think I'm not cheating, but you know, you can yell at me in the comments if I am. I'm going to set my under eyes with a little bit of powder because if not, they will crease. I'm going to take a little bit of eyeshadow. It's like a brown eyeshadow, so it's skin tone with this brush. And I'm going to go into the Shiny palette. I'm going to take this brown right here, lightly dust it over my eyes just to set the concealer that I put on my eyes. Now to like wipe away the powder because I'm not baking because again this is light coverage. Now for the eyebrows, which I normally don't do on camera, but like I need to prove that I'm not cheating, I guess. So all of the girls that I saved, they did very natural eyebrow looks, but they have full eyebrows, which I luckily, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Hi, we're a little close, but we won't stay this close that long, I promise. As you can see, I do have pretty thick brows, but I have, if my camera will focus, I have like sparse areas. So I'm just gonna go in with my e.l.f. eyebrow kit in dark, because I have black eyebrows, so obviously I'm gonna use dark. And I'm just gonna lightly go in and just, I won't line them per se, I'll just like try and fill the sparse areas. My left eyebrow is worse than my right eyebrow, which kind of makes this infuriating, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. And then I'm just gonna like bully my lines under my brows because I don't want them to be too much. Kind of just shape the brows. And you're probably thinking they don't look that much different. You wouldn't be wrong. So we're back. And I have to pull my thing up again. So now mascara, because all the girls in the pictures have very long eyelashes. I have decently length eyelashes, but they're not. I think some of the girls have falsies in their picture, but that wouldn't be staying true to Chapstick and Mascara Twitter, so I can't cheat and do that. I'll just do mascara, which I'm using the Maybelline Rocket Volume Mascara in waterproof. And I'll do my bottom lashes too, just to make my eyes look a little bit wider. The difference in my eyelashes, kind of. Mascara, no mascara. Just, the progress is great. Okay, that's that. We're done. We're not continuing that anymore. Now, to arguably the most like, let me put on a little more Vaseline. Arguably the most important part is highlight. So, I'm gonna take my Mario Badescu spray and this fan brush. Spritz the Fran brush. Yep. Ooh, did I get that on the camera lens? Eek, I did. This is an ugly angle, but gotta do what you gotta do. I mean, it looks fine. Then I'm going to go to the Pony Maybe Box eyeshadow palette because I don't actually have highlighter because I'm broke. And we're just gonna take this shade right here, which I'm pretty sure is like brown, orange, shimmer. Don't remember the name, and the names aren't on the back of this, unless they are. Are you kidding me? No! I want to cry. What the frick? I'm pressed. But the show must go on, so we're gonna act like that didn't happen. Like I said, we're gonna go into this shade right here and just lightly highlight. So I'm gonna do the tip of my nose because that's literally my favorite place to highlight, and if I don't highlight the tip of my nose, like there's no point in highlighting. Then I'm gonna go to my brow bones. Now onto my Cupid's bow. And then my cheekbones, which I don't normally do because like I said, this isn't actual highlighter, but I can blend it out. It's fine. Ooh, I should have put on blush first. I'm stupid. I have to put blush on, so I'm probably gonna have to put more highlight on. I'm gonna go in with this pink e.l.f. blush in Pink Passion, And I'm just gonna do that trend where it's like all over the face kind of. I got too much on my nose. I got carried away. Okay, that's enough for now. I might add later for pictures. Going back to the highlighter, now onto the lips. I'm gonna take the Nature Republic Pure Shine Jelly Tint, oh my god, in orange, or in Cha-Cha Orange. I'm gonna take the Tony Moly Tony Tint Delight in orange Cha-Cha. This is Cha-Cha Orange, this is orange Cha-Cha. They have the same name but backwards. And then this Caramel Creamy Candy Glitter Lip Gloss, which is like kids candy, but I don't have any better lip glosses, so we're just going to work with it. So I'm gonna take this jelly tint and put it all over my lips. Then in the center of my lips, I'm gonna take the Tony Moly tint. And then to finish off the look, I'm gonna take the lip gloss. I might have to add a little bit more gloss just for like intensity. And then the final part of at least the makeup, because I still have to like lay my edges and do all that fun stuff, is more Mario Badescu spray to make this look more glowy and less matte looking. And that's like the makeup part of this. So I'm gonna go do my edges and I'll come right back. So don't you go anywhere. I'll be back in like 2 seconds. As you can see, I kind of laid. There's issues. We're not gonna talk about it. I still don't know how to really lay edges for a wig. If any of you want to like teach me down below, that'd be great. But yeah, this is my attempt at trying to be part of Chapstick and Mascara Twitter, because I try and fit in everywhere and I don't like being my own person. It's great. I'm just kidding. I'm not like that in real life. Or am I? You'll never know. You guys should make sure to follow me on my social media. My Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat are all on the screen right now. Go follow me so you can stay up to date with me in my daily life. I'm trying to post more on Snapchat and more on my Instagram stories and Instagram like at least once a week. So like you should follow me there so you can see those posts. Maybe you'll see a picture of like this look on my Instagram, but you won't know unless you follow me. So like you should go do that right now. Also comment down below if you're more of a full coverage type of person or minimal to like no makeup type of person, because like I just like to know. I do K-beauty, regular beauty, fashion, K-pop, and random videos. If you enjoyed those types of videos, please hit the subscribe button down below and also hit the little bell button next to subscribe button so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video, because YouTube's acting up again and not all videos are ending up in people's subscription boxes. So just so you can avoid that hassle, hit that bell button. Also remember that somebody loves you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, lovelies.